11 reasons tiny homes are perfect for modern living. Tiny homes are more than just a trend, they represent a shift in how we view space, lifestyle, and our connection to the environment. Here are 11 compelling reasons why tiny homes are perfect for modern living. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. 1. Affordability. One of the biggest draws of tiny homes is their cost. With lower mortgage payments, reduced utility costs, and minimal maintenance expenses, tiny living frees up your budget for travel, hobbies, and savings. 2. Minimalism. Tiny homes encourage a minimalist lifestyle. By living in a smaller space, you learn to prioritize necessities and eliminate clutter. This creates a more peaceful and organized home environment. 3. Eco-friendliness. Tiny homes often use fewer resources and generate a smaller footprint, making them a more sustainable option. Many are built from recycled materials and are equipped with energy-efficient appliances. 4. Mobility. Many tiny homes are on wheels, providing you the freedom to travel without sacrificing comfort. Whether you want to explore the countryside or park by the beach, the option is there. 5. Customization. Tiny homes can be tailored to fit your personality and needs. Whether you want a modern aesthetic or a cozy cabin feel, customization allows you to express your style. 6. Community. Tiny home communities are popping up all over, fostering a sense of belonging and support among residents. These communities often share resources, activities, and social events, enhancing connections with like-minded individuals. 7. Simplicity. A tiny home encourages a simpler life. With less space comes fewer distractions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: family, friends, and personal growth. 8. Lower maintenance. Smaller spaces mean less upkeep. Cleaning, repairs, and gardening take significantly less time, giving you more time to enjoy your life rather than maintaining it. 9. Financial freedom. Living in a tiny home allows many to become debt-free or to pay off their homes faster. This newfound financial freedom can lead to opportunities for investment, entrepreneurship, or simply enjoying life more. 10. Creativity and resourcefulness. Living in a tiny space encourages creativity. You'll find innovative ways to maximize every inch. This mindset can spill over into other areas of your life, leading to overall personal growth. 11. Intimate living. Tiny homes create an environment for more intimate living. With closer proximity to family or partners, it cultivates deeper relationships and encourages shared experiences. In conclusion, tiny homes offer a unique and fulfilling lifestyle that addresses many modern challenges. From financial savings to fostering connections, they provide an experience that's both enriching and practical. If you're considering a new way of living, tiny homes may just be the perfect solution for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.